tutigarete asorobotiro igoro iyo monto yukagere umusayo kagere kubaita abantu na kubatukuta ase libwago lya Kware ase county ya Nairobi nigo bono omowakili oyo manyekene na John Maina Ndegwa atebiribuna nigo bono abantu bali bakora obosweli nigo babwente gwikia ebinto biri bikorokinga na korete Oboiti obwe nigo atebiribuna nigo lichikondiro gose enchira neroro kere omuntu amwire gukora kugatebanga kwenekinga nero okorire egesanga kindi gionsi enchira nero ebwente kubwatuko naboigo ndegwa nigatebuna nigo abaskali bagende tukubaire bube kurwa litukore igoro kere kubwatia igoro Bwo'Mokagerwa yigose omutejoye.
Let the due process of the law take place. Yeah, yesterday we were treated to some circus, and today as we come to court we would expect that whatever evidence that was paraded, it will be produced to court. We expect that whatever the prosecutor or otherwise that shall be producing to court, we wouldn't want them to seek more days for evidence. What was paraded yesterday is enough to proceed with the trial, so I'll be much baffled when the investigating officer or the DPP goes to court seek more additional days for investigation.
Police claim that your client has confessed to killings. Has he conveyed the same to you?
Circumstantially and constitutionally, there are procedures for confessing. Yeah. Whether a person gives a confession, there are due processes in which it is done. Remember that the respondent, as per now, is under police custody. What goes around, nobody knows. So the manner and the circumstances